Is your LED light blinking like this after you installed it? That was an easy fix. If you have a rocker switch like this, chances are you just have to flip a setting that's really hidden in behind this actual button. You'll see there's two winged clips on either side of the switch, there and there. All you have to do with a flathead screwdriver is push on one of those clips and pull the switch out at the same time, like so. You just have to work one side, not both, and it'll all come out like this. Now that we have access to the underside, we're going to be working with this switch down at the bottom here. It gives us the option to go from mode A to mode B. So we're going to switch over to mode B, and that should be enough to do the trick. These LED lights are so finicky, and a change or an adjustment into the power that's being sent to them might be all that's needed. So that's what this is doing in this case. Mode A and mode B, different levels of power being sent to the light. This is made by Leviton, and there's some switches like made by Lutron that have some like 4 or 5 different power settings to play around with, to fine tune, to get your LED light working just perfectly. But you should be good just working between the two, A or B, with your Leviton switch. If that's what you have like me, let's give it a try. First things first, we're just going to put the switch cover back on, and be mindful if you have the dimmer that your dimmer button is going to actuate these plastic wing tips at the bottom. So when you clip this over top, make sure you line them up over top of the actual dimmer switch that's underneath, or else this little control lever will just be moving freely up and down. It won't actually be attached to what it needs to be controlling. So with the dimmer portion lined up, it's going to clip it back into place. Now that we have the breaker turned on, let's give it a try. Hey, no flashing. Try with the dimmer settings. Lowest power, no flashing. Easy fix.